Hi, I'm Cody Lycke, RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. Today we're going to be talking about what powers the Winnebago Revel. The Winnebago power system in the Winnebago Revel is one of the most powerful systems in the industry. The exclusive system features the PowerMax recharging system and the Power Hub Pro. Off-grid adventures can last longer than ever with the Revel's PowerMax recharging system. This system is fueled by the Lithionics 165 amp hour lithium-ion battery, providing 8,448 watt-hours. An additional battery can be added by Lichtsinn RV, providing 16,800 watt-hours. This capacity provides ample power for off-grid adventures, and the large capacity means less time charging and searching for shore power. The Winnebago X EcoFlow Power Hub Pro is an exclusive 5-in-1 power management controller that replaces 5 systems with one, delivering unprecedented off-grid power. This hub streamlines power management and optimizes energy performance, simplifying operation while saving space and reducing weight, and has an easy-to-use touchscreen interface. This all-in-one module starts with a 3,600 watt pure sine wave inverter with 7,200 watts of surge. The inverter provides whole coach electrical service, including power to the air conditioner, if added, and the induction cooktop. The 120 volt converter charger in the EcoFlow Power Hub distributes AC/DC loads to your Revel and charges the battery when connected to shore power. The AC/DC converter charger reduces 120 volts AC down to 12 volts DC. The DC to DC converter supplies power to all 12 volt load appliances and accessories. The Revel includes a combination of chassis alternator power coupled with additional power from a second installed alternator. This dual alternator features high-speed charging and provides enough power to run the Revel's air conditioner and/or charge the batteries at idle. The 48 volt high output alternator charges 6 times faster and will recharge a single Lithionics battery in under an hour and will fully charge both batteries in just 2 hours of driving time. The MPPT controller, which means Maximum Power Point Tracking Controller, in the Winnebago Revel ensures that the maximum amount of solar power is extracted. The Revel's BMS, or Battery Management System, streamlines the communication between charging components to ensure optimal charging and increasing the lifespan of the battery system. It includes safety features that can regulate and shut off the batteries if any issues arise. The BMS system includes internal heat for protection from the cold. The Revel is equipped with 225 watts of solar power and is expandable up to 1,600 watts with portable solar panels. This system provides additional off-grid energy, helping to mitigate daily power loss from lights, water pumps, the refrigerator, and other electrical devices. The Revel has a roof port that allows you to easily pass wiring from inside the Revel to the roof for roof-mounted accessories. The 30 amp electrical service in the Revel allows you to hook up to most any RV power pedestals. The new Winnebago Revel has taken off-road and off-grid adventures to another level with the innovations from Winnebago and their partners. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to learn more about the revamped addition to the Winnebago Class B lineup today.